Greetings, Mark Brown here. In this Microsoft Word document, we're going to select a portion of this text, and then what we're going to do is to put the page itself into landscape. Yes, so therefore this page is actually in portrait. So when I select this section of the text, I'm going to turn that into landscape. Alright, so the first thing you wanted to do, it goes right here, and you want to block, just like that. Now I block it, definitely. Let me go start it from right here. Block it. Now when I block it, the next thing I wanted to do definitely, I wanted to come up to the top. Right, so when you come up to the top, very important. Let me fix this. Right, you come right up to the top right here. We're gonna click right here on layout. Notice it said this is the layout, but in some Microsoft Word, you might see page layout. So I'm gonna click on that. So when I click on that, if you notice right here to my left, you have margin right there. Alright, let me extend my document like that. Good. So notice you're going to click right here, little pointer, margin. When you click, you notice you're going to come all the way down. You notice right here, it's a custom margin. You're going to click on that. Now when you click on custom margin, this is what shows right here. So what you wanted to do, this is if you can move, you come right here and click on landscape. Now when you click on landscape right here, you're going to come all the way down here. You notice the whole document, you're going to click. Now when you click right here, notice the selected text, you're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, now you're going to come across right here. Notice you see OK, and you see cancel. What you want to do is you click on the word OK. Now when you click on the OK, you notice the selected text now, that page is actually in landscape. And if you notice, there's a text up here is in portrait, right? Very important there when you look at it, right? The selected text. All right, so if I want to do that again, so if you notice, I have a portrait right here, I have a landscape right here. But if I want to put an selected set of text into a portrait like this, what I can do, I can come like this and block this again. And then I can come right, as I said, layout. You go to margin, click a little pointer. You come all the way. This is if it's custom margin. You're going to click on that. Now you're going to switch and click right away from portrait. They come right here. You notice you have all document. They have selected section. So I want to click right here and select the text. And then you're going to click right here. If you notice, you have a portrait document right here. If you notice, you have a landscape right here. And also you also have a portrait. So definitely you can actually do this. So if and when you was asked to do a document like that, you're able to manage. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.